generations, women empowerment was just a talk, and now suddenly I have found myself in the midst where people are walking the talk. Yes, you heard me right. I am at the launch of Her Market by VA. This is Savera, your host, and welcome to my startup TV. VA is an organization that helps women entrepreneurs market, finance their produce. And the most interesting part about this organization is that it is to the women, by the women, and for the women. And these women have got some interesting and exuberant stories to share. Come, let's join us in their journey. Hello, we have Padmaja, the founder of Neti Mithai, joining us. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Can you please tell us about your startup?
Basically, we have two brands, which is like Vintage Ice Cream, which is completely into ice creams and ice pops and all. And another brand is Neti Mithai, which is into completely healthy. Like you will have healthy laddus, healthy snacks. Like nowadays, if you see kids are like munching a lot of unhealthy sweets, unhealthy snacks, namkeens and all. So we want to replace that with our healthy sweets by giving like healthy food to the kids and all. So whatever laddus we make it with millets, and we make it with grains and healthy stuff like flaxseed, jowar, millets, and multigrains and all, with pure jaggery and ghee, homemade ghee. So we don't use any chemicals, preservatives in our products basically. So that is our main motto and unique point in our brand. And everything is handmade. We don't use any machines to make laddus, and we make it in a traditional way. Like when we are small, our grandparents used to make, mama and all make laddus when we go for festival and all. So we give in such a way that people eat, when they are eating these sweets, they feel like, oh, I remember my grandparent, I remember my grandmom and all. So that is how we want to give a personal touch to the product by giving very traditional way and all. So when it comes to vintage ice creams, it's also a traditional ice cream. So you might have remembered these Pepsi's, ice pop sticks, Chusky, there are different names for that. So we make the same product with a healthy way, and again, we use our real fruit juices for the filling and all. We don't use any chemicals again, no preservatives and all. So anyways, whatever product it is, we want to give it in a healthier way. Even in ice creams, we use organic milk, which is again, we don't use any packed milk. We get a farm fresh milk, which doesn't injected by hormones or harsh chemicals and all. So this is how it starts. So we want to sync with the current scenario and current situation, and we care for the society, we care for the people. So even though you are eating something, even though it's a snack or any junk, we want to give it in a healthier way. So you can eat your like namkeen or snack, anything in a healthier way, so that you won't have that guilt that okay, I am eating something bad which is bad to my body and all. So this is how the idea created. Later on, I took my parents' help. This is actually a family business. So they have the experience making all these items. My mom is expert in making laddus and all. My father is expert in making ice creams, because we used to have from last 4 generations we are into business. So my forefathers and all, even my grandfather, next my father, now I have taken over this thing and all. So this is how it started. So manufacturing, my parents will take care of it, my sister, my parents and all. When it comes to marketing, I have a team, and I personally take care of the marketing, customer, we are into franchising model and distribution model too. So we are tied with a few organic stores, few organic stores in the city, and we have one outlet in one drive-in, which is in Jubilee Hills, and we are going further. By next year we want to get more tie-ups and more franchises, which we can open all over India, and actively we are looking for international market too. So this is how.
That's wonderful, ma'am. Can you please tell us how V Market is helping you in your journey?
See, V Market is actually saying they encourage women entrepreneurs a lot, I can say, and they give really good connects when whatever you want. It can relate to sales, it can be related to distributors or resellers or vendors. We will be needed so much lot of raw material for this product, because this is completely into food grains and all. And we aim is having a great network where they can get whatever you want. So this is how it's helping every woman entrepreneur in the market, and they encourage a lot. Even though I'm busy, they were like back of me, like getting the products and me coming over here, and they will always like, especially Deepti, she is like back of me. Padmaja, you're an young entrepreneur. You should be more explore to the market, and all these kind of things. And even she encouraged every time whenever I launch a new product, because she loved, everyone loved our product personally. They like the quality we maintain, they like the way we do, they like the way we take the hygiene precautions and all.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for joining us. It was a wonderful interaction.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.